In this video, we're talking about how you can make $100 a month by reviewing car products online, and I just want to preface this by saying this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and I'm not one of these like make money online gurus. I'm just a regular person just like you who goes grocery shopping at Meijer on a Tuesday night, and as someone who's been doing this for a few years, I want to give you guys some realistic expectations. And while you might not get rich overnight with this, I think $100 a month could go a long way, especially considering the current state of things. So in case you're new here, I do automotive DIYs as well as reviews of car parts and other car related products, and a lot of those videos point to an affiliate product where I'll earn a commission if someone purchases the product through my link. Now this started out as just like a fun hobby about 6 years ago, and it's turned into a nice little business for me, and I want to show you guys how you can do what I'm doing. So for those who might not be familiar with affiliate marketing, it's a marketing arrangement where you get paid a commission for recommending products online. Now pretty much any big retailer that you're familiar with has one of these affiliate programs. Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, Nike, they all have a program like this. They're usually free to sign up for, and all you have to do is fill out some information with your taxes and like a routing number for your bank so that you can eventually get paid. Now one thing to note about affiliate marketing is you're not necessarily an employee of the company, but rather an independent contractor. The way that it works is once you set up your account, you'll have access to a portal where you can start making your affiliate links with your own personalized tracking code, and when a customer clicks on your link to make a purchase, you'll earn commissions. Now the cool thing about this is the customer doesn't pay any more just because they're buying it through your link. The price of the product stays the same no matter what. The program that we're going to be focusing on today is Amazon Associates, and while it's not the highest paying program out there, the cool thing about Amazon is it's super low barrier to entry. Anybody watching this video can make an account in about 10 minutes. And since Amazon's already sort of ubiquitous with online shopping, it's not really that hard to get sales. Millions of people are already shopping with Amazon anyway, it's just a matter of getting them to shop through your custom link. You're going to start off by creating an account. I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can sign up for Amazon's Associate program. It doesn't cost anything to be a part of it, and then from there you'll have access to something called Associate Central. That's sort of your home base for all things Amazon affiliate related. From there you can view sales statistics, you can see your payment history, and start building your custom links. There's two main ways to make an Amazon affiliate link. One is just to go through the Associate Central. There's like a search feature where you can search for products and grab your link from there. I like to use the short link because it looks a little bit more clean in my YouTube descriptions. And the other way that I tend to use more often is to just go on Amazon.com. They've got a tool called Site Stripe where you go on any product on the site, and in the upper left corner of the website, you can actually grab your affiliate link right from there. You can also grab your affiliate links using the Amazon app on your phone. When you go to share a product, once you're in the program, it'll ask you if you want to share it as an affiliate link. Now I found this really helpful because a lot of times I get questions from people on Instagram asking about various products, and I can just do it all right from my phone without having to jump on my computer. So now that we know what affiliate links are and how to make them, the next challenge is going to be getting your first sale. Now for me personally, YouTube has been the main vehicle that I use to get my links out there. I make videos installing or reviewing car products, and then I offer my viewers a link to be able to purchase the product. And I know what you're thinking, it must be easy for you when you've got over 200,000 subscribers, but my channel wasn't always this big, and I was able to monetize my content really early on with Amazon affiliate links, even before I got my first check from YouTube. The cool thing about YouTube is it's not only a great place for entertainment, but it's also the second largest search engine on earth, and no matter how small your channel is, you can create searchable content and get views and affiliate sales even early on. For people just getting started, do-it-yourself content is a great place to start because it's highly searchable and it's often an opportunity for multiple affiliate links. You're offering your viewers a solution to a problem, and your reward is your affiliate commission. Product reviews and comparisons are another great opportunity for affiliate products. Before I had channel sponsors, I would just go on Amazon and buy car products full price to make videos on, hoping that I'd be able to recoup some or all of my investment. And even though it was a big financial risk for me at the time, I believed in it enough to take that step of faith and buy products to make these videos. But what if you don't want to make videos? It's a lot of work that requires special equipment and a big commitment of your time. You could also set up a simple website to promote affiliate products and use SEO to drive traffic. Now personally, I have a site where I have all of my camera equipment for YouTube, I have all of the car cleaning supplies that I use, as well as all the modifications for my F30, all just on this one really simple Squarespace site, not sponsored by the way. But that's another thing that you could look into. You can also recommend products on Instagram or other social media. I also have some written blogs that showcase products that I haven't done videos on yet. And while it's not as powerful as YouTube in my personal experience with it, it's something that you can set up with minimal effort and just have running in the background. Still, the reason that I believe that YouTube is so powerful is because people are already here watching videos. Rather than trying to create your own website and trying to figure out how to get people to come to it, with YouTube you just have to make some content, and with the right keywords and strategy, people are going to find it. And one thing that I want to reiterate is that some of my really high performing affiliate videos were posted within my first year on YouTube, so you don't need a huge following to get this started. Even though it might seem like a lot of work to make videos, with affiliate marketing the biggest challenge is getting traffic, and with YouTube the traffic's already here, it's just a matter of getting your own content into the mix. One thing that I want to say in regards to expectations is you're not going to get rich overnight with this, especially with Amazon. When you first start out, it's going to be like a few dollars here and there, but just like with anything else, you get out what you put in, and if you're willing to put in the time, research, and effort, you're going to see a better result than someone who's just kind of dabbling around with it in their free time. I think my first ever Amazon check was like $28, and while that's not a lot of money, it was like, okay, this is a real thing. Now let's figure out how to scale that up to $100 and maybe even $1,000 a month. There have been a handful of Amazon products that have performed extremely well on my channel. One that comes to mind right away is the Luxe Angel Eyes, one of my all-time highest earning Amazon links. And that was a product that I bought full price. I did a detailed step-by-step installation guide and later on did a long-term review of. While I don't have the exact sales number because the video was uploaded back in 2016 and the sales information only goes back so far, I remember this one being extremely profitable, and just this past month I've sold 5 sets of those, and those are sales still trickling in from a video from over 5 years ago. The Meguiar's headlight restoration kit was an example of something that really didn't cost a lot of money up front to buy. I think the kit's like $20 or something like that, but the video was a huge success and I sold a ton of those kits through the video. Just a tip with YouTube, like a little hint here, video thumbnails that have a really strong before and after tend to do really well, so that might be something to keep in mind as you're thinking of products that you want to recommend. Another video that really stands out in my mind is Carly for BMW. Now this is a product that my subscribers suggested that I try out. I bought the adapter and the app full price and I did a video showing how to use it. That video ended up going viral and I sold a ton of those and my affiliate sales just exploded from there. This one really stands out as one of those aha moments where it really opened my eyes to what was possible. When this video was uploaded back in 2017, I was working as a packer in a warehouse, and I earned more in commissions from this one product than I did in a whole month working at my warehouse job. Affiliate marketing has some really nice advantages over things like dropshipping or direct-to-consumer sales. One of them is it's totally hands-off. You don't have to deal with inventory, customer service, or payment processing. You're simply recommending products and collecting a check. The company that you're working for handles everything else. Another cool thing with a lot of these affiliate programs, including Amazon, is you not only earn commissions on products that you've recommended, but anything that the person buys after they've clicked your link. Just the other day, I was checking my Amazon stats and I saw that somebody ordered an $1,800 dirt bike through one of my links, which was a nice commission to wake up to, considering that that's a product that I've never talked about or linked directly to on my channel, just something that somebody happened to click on and purchase. Like I mentioned before with the Luxe Angel Eyes, that's a video that I uploaded over 5 years ago and it's still earning commissions to this day. In fact, this past year, since I've been more focused on Kies Motorsports affiliate program, I haven't really messed around too much with Amazon, yet I'm still consistently earning $500 to $800 a month, and those are sales just trickling in from videos that I uploaded over a year ago, some of them as old as 5 years old. I hope this video inspired you to get something started with affiliate marketing. I'm going to link that Amazon sign up page down below. Like I said, it doesn't cost anything to be a part of that program, so you really have nothing to lose. And I'm also going to link one of my friend's YouTube channels. He does a lot more with affiliate marketing if you want to take a deeper dive into it. But give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, if you found it helpful, and leave a comment down below and let us know what affiliate products you might like to recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.